Let's be honest, you might hit the gym, wear great clothes, even spray your favorite cologne every morning. But if you're making a few small grooming mistakes, you might be looking older than you actually are. Especially if you live in a country like the USA, where first impressions mean everything. These mistakes can quietly ruin your confidence and appearance. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 grooming mistakes most men make, and how to fix them so you look younger, cleaner, and more confident. Let's jump straight into it. Mistake number 1. Using too much hair product. Most guys think the more gel or wax they use, the better their hair will look. But in reality, too much product makes your hair look greasy, stiff, and fake, like something straight out of an old 90s movie. It instantly makes you look older and over-styled. Fix. Use only a small amount, about fingertip size. Go for a matte finish or natural look product. Style your hair with your fingers instead of a comb for a more natural vibe. Mistake number 2. Not defining your beard lines. Your beard defines your masculinity. But messy edges or uneven cheek and necklines make you look lazy and unkempt. Fix. Keep your neckline clean, about 2 fingers above your Adam's apple. Shape your cheek line naturally, but make sure both sides are balanced. Apply beard oil regularly to keep it soft and healthy. Pro tip: it's not the beard that makes the man, it's the well-groomed beard. Mistake number 3. Ignoring dry skin and chapped lips. This one's often ignored, but dry skin and cracked lips make your face look tired and older. And if you live in a place with dry weather like much of the US, it's even worse. Fix. Use a light moisturizer with SPF every morning. Wash your face before bed and apply lip balm. Drink plenty of water. It's the cheapest skincare you'll ever need. Pro tip: healthy skin is what truly makes you look young. Mistake 4. Neglecting oral hygiene. No matter how well you dress, if your smile isn't clean, it ruins everything. Yellow teeth or bad breath instantly kill your appeal. In the US, people notice your smile before they even start listening to you, whether it's a job interview or a date. Fix. Use a whitening toothpaste and tongue cleaner daily. Rinse your mouth after drinking coffee. Use whitening strips or charcoal powder once a week. A clean smile never goes out of style. Mistake number 5. Overusing perfume. A lot of guys think wearing more perfume makes them more attractive, but too much fragrance does the opposite. It's overpowering and uncomfortable. Fix. Just 2 sprays are enough. 1 on your neck and 1 on your wrist. 4. Always spray on pulse points so the scent spreads naturally. Remember, the goal is to be remembered, not smothered. Mistake number 6. Ignoring eyebrows and nose hair. It sounds small, but it makes a huge difference. Messy eyebrows or visible nose hair can instantly make you look older and untidy. Fix. Lightly trim your eyebrow. Don't overpluck. Clean up nose and ear hair once a week. Always check before heading out. Clean grooming equals instant freshness. Mistake number 7. Wearing the wrong fit. This one's more about style than grooming, but your outfit fit defines your entire first impression. Loose or overly tight clothes make you look older or awkward. Fix. Wear clothes that fit your body type properly. Choose slim fit or tailored styles for a clean, sharp look. Keep your clothes clean, ironed, and simple. That's true professionalism. A good fit is the cheapest form of confidence. Closing message: if you fix even 3 out of these 7 mistakes, you'll completely change how people see you and how you see yourself. Remember, grooming isn't about fashion. It's about self-respect. It's how you show the world that you take care of yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which one of these mistakes are you guilty of? In my next video, I'll talk about 7 habits that instantly make you more attractive. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. Stay confident, stay clean, and always stay sharp. See you in the next one.